Definitely has a... Oh, wow. Citrusy taste. There's finally one turning ripe, I think. Yes, there is. And then I definitely review that one and put it on YouTube for you all. It's hot. Oh yeah. Ignore that. Oh yeah. It's got good heat to it, man. Pepper burps. I feel like I'm gonna get the hiccups again. Maybe. Okay. Pretty citrusy. But it's not sweet at all. Because it's not ripe yet. So, wait, it's a very bitter kind of heat. Not the heat that I like at all. Flavor I like a lot. Oh. I do not like the burn it has. Lemon drops burn in a very interesting way. It's a bitter burn. And then I mostly hate the throat burn. And that's where it all goes to. About instantly when you bite into it. It's burning. It's instantly burning. And it's not fun when it burns your throat. And this is really not that hot of a pepper, man. But yeah, it's a throat burner. Again, I don't like those burns. And I do have the hiccups, as you can hear. Yeah, that's what happens when the oil goes through your throat. Oh, that was a smoke alarm for a second. But I searched up what causes the hiccups. It's when the capsaicin irritates the part that makes you hiccup. There's a part in your throat, apparently a part that makes you hiccup. And when the capsaicin touches that part, it makes you hiccup. Or when you eat too much food, and eat too much food, that it'll turn that part in your throat on, which will also then cause you to hiccup too. But man, when it irritates your throat like that, it'll make you hiccup. Trust me. When it irritates your throat that badly, it'll make you hiccup, and I have enough experience to know that. What must have happened is all the oil went down my throat. What? And that's the reason you heard me hiccuping here. I don't know if the hiccups are done yet, people, but I could tell it's gonna happen because I started feeling it start up. You get a specific feeling. It's almost like a gagging kind of feeling you're gonna get, and then it happens. Flavor-wise, it's very good, even when it's unwrapped. Wrap or unwrap, it's tasty. Heat-wise, it's probably cayenne serrano heat. But as you just heard, yes, it's hot enough to give you the hiccups, so be expecting that.